All right, let's go over this. It is a very compact little rig by the way it looks. And let's match it up to a bottle of water. This is your standard 16 ounce, 17 ounce bottle of water. I always like to give it to you that way. It's easy to judge. You can see how long it is, the packaging. I'm liking the packaging already. We have not opened this or tried it in any way, shape, or form. I'm just giving you the ideas on it, and then we're going to plug it in and show you how to use it. Directions right here. Now with these, when you run them in your car, you make sure you turn your AC on, recirculate. Alright, here's what we have. And as you know, when you use an ozone, you use it and then make sure you air the area out, open the windows, let it air out 20-30 minutes after you've used it. Make sure there's no one inside the vehicle when you do it. Detailers use these ozone machines and generators like crazy. It kills all the germs, it kills all the bugs, it kills dust mites, it kills black mold. They kill just about every type of bacteria you can think of. I had one guy say it kills on a microbial level, which it does. But I'm already pretty impressed with the way this looks. And it's quite heavy, so that means there's some quality there. I like this right here. Very heavy plug, very high quality cord, and you plug it in underneath. Come right up in here. You can go from the front if you want or from the back, so it's plugged in right there. Nice push button on off right here. Plug that into your cigarette lighter. No house voltage needed. You plug this in. There's no cord running through your window or your window's half rolled up. So we're going to plug this in and check it out. But I'm very impressed with the quality of this already. Very compact. So let's go plug it in and check it out. Alright, as you can see, the red light is blinking. It will blink for 12 minutes. Leave the doors shut 5 minutes after it quit blinking. So 12 minutes plus 5, 17 minutes total, the vehicle will be closed up. And as you can see, we have the AC on, recirculate right up there. And that will go the whole time that you're operating the vehicle ozoner right here. Okay? And it smells really good in here already. So that's all it is. It's that simple, 12 minutes. They say to do it every 20-30 days to keep your car sanitized and your AC system and heater system sanitized.